For a better view of the installation, we will be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. These are the tools necessary for the install. To begin, remove the factory bolts securing the tow hooks and plastic shield to the frame. Remove the tow hook. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Raise the hitch into position between the frame and plastic shield, over the existing weld nuts as depicted in this photo. Fasten the hitch to the frame with the provided hex bolts and conical toothed washers. Reinstall the tow hooks into the frame and secure with the provided hex bolts and conical toothed washers. Torque all of the hardware to the exact values specified in the supplied instruction sheet. This completes the installation of the Curt 31021 front mount trailer hitch on a 1996 GMC Jimmy.